Tesla is officially in the S&P 500, and now more big money is going to be put into the stock because of its inclusion. On top of this, a top analyst from Wedbush came out and upgraded Tesla's price target, and Jim Cramer also came out and said that Tesla stock will continue to have more upside and continue to deliver results for investors.
Personally, I'm a big believer in the car, the stock, and the man behind it. You don't have to like Elon Musk. I mean, the guy called me a simulation. But you should respect his ability to make money for you.
And in today's video, I'm first going to break down exactly what Jim Cramer said about Tesla. After that, I'm going to go over what top Wedbush analysts said about the company and its price target. And at the end of the video, I'm going to go over what I'm doing with my shares in Tesla moving forward with its inclusion in the S&P 500 and where I see it in the future. For those of you who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm a 21-year-old investor, entrepreneur, and full-time college student. In the past 30 days, I've made over $175,000 in one of the many investment accounts that I share with you in our private group on Patreon. So if you'd like to know more about what stocks I'm buying, what stocks I'm selling, you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, and if you want pre-release access to each episode of my new show called The Stock Room, where I talk about stocks with my 80-year-old friend who's a millionaire investor and entrepreneur, well, then make sure to join our group using the link down below. So anyways, let's talk about what Jim Cramer said in a recent talk about Tesla.
I bet Tesla has more upside as Musk keeps meeting and beating his targets. I'm thrilled the stock has made so many people so much money. And I'm ecstatic that it's helped a generation, whole new generation, fall in love with stock picking like I did in 1979. Now, once the index funds finish selling everything else to make room for the $650 billion behemoth, I'm betting the Santa Claus rally resumes.
When Tesla was entering the S&P 500, it was felt all across the market as the S&P 500 had to make room and sell off other big stocks they own to make room for Tesla, which has over a $600 billion market cap. Most of the time, companies that enter the S&P 500 are much smaller than Tesla. However, Tesla's market cap is the fifth highest market cap out of all companies in the S&P 500.
I think the evolution of Tesla, the stock, not the company, has changed the character of the entire stock market. I think it's the most important story in years. Sure, we've seen this trajectory before. Under the leadership of Jeff Bezos, Amazon's taken over the world. Netflix became a national pastime, right? And we celebrate what CEO Roy Reed Hastings has done. We believe him all the way. But Tesla takes that same story and cranks it up to an 11. It's become the ultimate love the product, buy the stock, with a legion of adoring fans. Again, Amazon and Netflix have the same dynamic, but you don't see people worshiping Bezos or you don't see them worshiping Hastings from Netflix, even though I think they should. No, they worship Elon Musk.
Jim Cramer has a great point here. Right now with Tesla, people aren't just investing in Tesla. They're investing in Elon Musk. Most people think that Elon Musk will be able to deliver any results that he says he can deliver. With Tesla, he's consistently proven this by making bold predictions about delivery numbers for Tesla, for autonomous vehicles, and their release dates. He's always been able to deliver on what he said. On top of this, Elon Musk consistently delivers in all aspects and all businesses he touches, with SpaceX, the Boring Company, and all of the products he recently launched under Tesla's name. He always sells out of all of these products instantly, and it's because everyone believes in Elon Musk and in Tesla. So moving forward, people are going to consistently and continue to invest in Tesla, even with its $600 billion plus market cap, because of the future and Elon Musk at the head of the company. In addition to Tesla's inclusion in the S&P 500, Tesla's stock price just got a 28% boost from an analyst at Wedbush. Analyst Dave Ives kept his rating at a neutral, but he raised his base case stock price target by almost 28% to $715 per share, up from $560 per share. He said that his bull case long term is still over $1,000 per share, which implies an almost 50% gain from where the stock is currently at right now. Heading into the year end in 2021, Dave Ives says that we're seeing major inflection of EV demand globally, with our expectations that EV vehicles will ramp up from from 3% of total auto sales today around the world to 10% by 2025, especially in China. China is currently less than 5%, but we're expecting them to be over 25 to 30% by 2025. He says how he believes this demand will disproportionately benefit the clear EV category leader, which is Tesla, over the next couple of years. In my opinion, right now, I think his price target is still fairly low, and I think Tesla can easily reach the $1,500 price target to $2,000 price target in the next 2 years because of this massive surge in EV demand in China. This year in particular, we've seen a dramatic surge in the popularity of EVs as battery prices are starting to decrease and as the Chinese government is pushing more and more for EVs. We've seen companies like NIO, XPeng, Li Auto, and countless other EV startups see their stock prices jump significantly in this year, and that's mainly due to Tesla delivering their numbers that they said they would deliver and expansion overseas. So right now, moving forward, what I'm doing with Tesla is I'm not buying any more at this price target. I'm happy with how much I have in the stock out of my total portfolio, but I'm definitely not selling the stock. I see the stock having massive potential moving forward. I think it can still easily 2 or 3x within the next 2 years. So anyways, that's what's going on with Tesla, its inclusion into the S&P 500, what top analysts at Wedbush had to say about the price target for the company, and what Jim Cramer said as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600, when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.